Let us start with important component of cell, either prokaryotic or eukaryotic, that is cytoplasm. So, cell contains ground substance called cytoplasmic matrix or cytosol. So, which are alternative name for cytoplasm? Either cytoplasmic matrix or cytosol. This colloidal jelly-like material is non-static. It is not static, meaning it is movable. It shows streaming movement called cyclosis. What is cyclosis? Streaming movement shown by or exhibited by cytoplasm is called cyclosis. Then you have to study important functions of cytoplasm. So here I have mentioned numbers as first, second, third, fourth. These represent functions of cytoplasm. So as far as cytoplasm is concerned, write one question. Give functions of cytoplasm, or what are functions of cytoplasm. So first function, cytoplasm contains water as a major component along with organic and inorganic molecules. Organic which are produced within body of organism, and inorganic meaning which are obtained from surrounding, or which contain mineral elements, atoms, or their ions, that represent inorganic molecules. Like, which are that organic and inorganic molecule? Sugar, amino acid, vitamins, enzymes, nucleotides, minerals, and waste product. So these are different contents, they are present inside cytoplasm. Second, it contains various cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, mitochondria, plastid, nucleus, microbodies, and cytoskeletal elements. So these different organelles, nucleus, different cytoskeletal elements, they are part of cytoplasm. Then which is third function? Cytoplasm act as source of raw material, that is important function. So which are these raw material? Raw material contains organic, inorganic molecules, including what we call water. So these are different raw materials which are present within cytoplasm. Then next number, which is next function, various metabolic activities take place in the cell occur within cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is site of various metabolic activities, that is fourth function of cytoplasm. So whether these four functions are clear to you, we have seen first one, that is it is storehouse of organic and inorganic molecule. Second, contains cell organelles, nucleus, and cytoskeletal elements. Which is third one, source of raw material. And which is fourth one, it is a site, it is a region where various metabolic activities take place. Next one, it helps in distribution and exchange of material between various cell organelles. So distribution and exchange of material between various cell organelles, that is one more function contributed by cytoplasm. So prepare question regarding functions of cytoplasm. So is it clear? Okay. Then we have seen different cell organelles like ER, mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosomes. So cell organelles are, what are these cell organelles? Cell organelles are nothing but compartments in the cell that carry out specific function. What are cell organelles? These are compartments or chambers that carry out specific function. For example, in our classroom we have seen chloroplast, site of photosynthesis, or we have seen mitochondrion. It is a structure organelle responsible for respiration. So these are special compartments which carry out their specific function. Some of them coordinate with each other and complete specific tasks. Task meaning work for cell. For cell. So they show coordination with each other. nuclear membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosome, various types of vesicles, vacuoles form such a group and are together known as endomembrane system of cell. So they may give different examples of endomembrane system of cell. Organelle is having a distinct function, distinct meaning particular function, are not included in endomembrane system, which are that particular functions like respiration and photosynthesis. So mitochondria and chloroplast, they are not member of endomembrane system because they carry out specific type of energy conservation in the cell. So you have seen one more part associated with cytoplasm, that is endomembrane system, which are not component of endomembrane system. One is mitochondria and second is chloroplast. Why? Because they are having their specific function. So is it clear? That is regarding what we call cytoplasm. Before this, you have seen two important cell organelles, chloroplast and mitochondria. Then here it is a third important cell organelle, endoplasmic reticulum, commonly known as ER. First of all, we study its diagram. So come to observe diagram 5.8 of endoplasmic reticulum given in your book. So here it is a nucleus. At the time of drawing, we have seen this structure which is associated with nuclear envelope and outer plasma membrane of cell. So nucleus having outer nuclear envelope, from this nuclear envelope up to the outer plasma membrane, there occur parallel tubules or parallel lamellae which form what we call endoplasmic reticulum. Now endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. Which are the two types? One is a rough endoplasmic reticulum and other is smooth ER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Why it is called a rough? Because ribosomes are present on the lamellae of this ER. That's why outer surface appear rough and hence it is called a rough ER. While here on these lamellae or tubule meaning microcapillaries or microtubes, ribosomes are absent. That's why their outer surface appears smooth and hence they are called smooth ER. So is it clear? There are two types of ER, rough ER and smooth ER. It is associated with nucleus and outer plasma membrane. So come to study ER in detail. You have to observe the diagram that you have drawn in case of plant cell. Plant cell ची डायग्राम मी तुम्हाला नोटबुकमध्ये ड्रॉ करून दिलेली होती बोर्डवरती, ही सुद्धा बघा साइड बाय साइड. So start with ER. Little network within cytosol. Cytosol meaning cytoplasm. We call it as endoplasmic reticulum. Present in all eukaryotic cells. Which are that? Eukaryotic cells except ova. Ova meaning egg. And mature RBCs, red blood cells. So ER is absent in which cell? Ovum, that is egg cell, and RBCs. Under electron microscope, it appears like a network of membranous tubules. So tubular structures are there, fine capillary-like structures are there. And sacs, sac meaning pouch-like, called cisternae. So membranous structures are tubules and sac-like structures are cisternae. It forms more than 50% total membrane of eukaryotic cell. 50% अर्धा पार्ट आहे हा कशाचा असतो? ERचा असतो, मेम्ब्रेनचा. This divides cytoplasm into two parts, which are that within the lumen of ER called laminal cytoplasm and non-laminal cytoplasm, which lies outside of ER. ERच्या आतमध्ये टिब्यूलमध्ये असलेलं सायटोप्लाझम लॅमिनल सायटोप्लाझम आणि ट्युब्युलच्या बाहेर असलेलं व्हॉट वी कॉल्ड सायटोप्लाझम आउटसाइड, नॉन लॅमिनल सायटो. सो फोकस ऑन द सेम डायग्राम. हे जे लॅमेली आहेत, ट्युब्युल्स आहेत, याच्या आतमध्ये असलेलं सायटोप्लाझम ह्याला म्हणायचं लॅमिनल सायटोप्लाझम. आणि हे जे लॅमेली आहेत किंवा ट्युब्युल्स आहेत, याच्या बाहेर असलेलं सायटोप्लाझम याला म्हणायचं नॉन लॅमिनल सायटोप्लाझम. लॅमिनाच्या आतमध्ये असलेलं लॅमिनल आणि लॅमिनाच्या बाहेर असलेलं नॉन लॅमिनल. क्लिअर? ओके. So we have seen ER divides cytoplasm into two parts, laminal cytoplasm and non-laminal cytoplasm. Membrane of ER is continuous with nuclear membrane at one end and extend till cell membrane. So I have focused on this sentence for number of time. Then which are different functions of ER? So here also I have given number. So write question and write answer in form of points that I have shown in your textbook. So what is your question? Give different functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Which is first function? ER acts as intracellular supporting framework. सपोर्टिंग फ्रेमवर्क आहे कुठपासून? न्यूक्लियसपासून बाहेरच्या सेल मेम्ब्रेनपर्यंत. अँड हेल्प्स इन मेंटेनिंग पोझिशन ऑफ व्हेरियस सेल ऑर्गॅनेली इन सायटोप्लाझम. सो ॲज इट इज अ सपोर्टिंग फ्रेमवर्क, इट मेंटेन पोझिशन ऑफ व्हेरियस सेल ऑर्गॅनेलीज इन सायटोप्लाझम. Then after here in a diagram we have seen surface of ER shows ribosome. If ribosomes are present, it is called a rough ER, and if ribosomes are absent, it is smooth ER. So smooth ER and rough ER are two different types of ER. Again they are having their own function. Here in general we study function. Second function, smooth ER is involved in various processes of different cells. So smooth ER take part in different cell processes, cell activities. Third one, depending on cell type, it helps in synthesis of lipid. सेल टाईप कसा आहे, सेलचं फंक्शन काय आहे, त्याप्रमाणे ER आहे हे वेगवेगळी सिंथेसिसची फंक्शन, प्रोडक्शनची फंक्शन करत असतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल सिंथेसिस ऑफ लिपिड. एक्झाम्पल स्टिरॉइड सिक्रेटिंग सेल्स ऑफ कॉर्टिकल रिजन ऑफ ॲड्रिनल ग्लँड, टेस्टेज अँड ओव्हरीज. हे तुम्ही पुढच्या वर्षी करणार आहात 12वीमध्ये. दॅट इज वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टंट फंक्शन, सिंथेसिस ऑफ लिपिड. देन थर्ड फंक्शन, डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन ऑफ ड्रग्स अँड पॉयझन्स अँड स्टोरेज ऑफ calcium ions in muscle. You may divide this sentence into two parts, which is third function, detoxification of drug and poisons, where it occur in liver. Which is fourth function, storage of calcium ion, where that storage of calcium ion occur in muscle cell. So that is function number 4 of ER. Rough ER is mainly involved in protein synthesis, where that protein synthesis occur in cells of pancreatic cells, which secrete insulin. You have to also study this pancreas in 12th for endocrine gland. So pancreas cells, they secrete hormone insulin having proteinaceous nature. सो रफ ER वरती कोण आहेत? रायबोसोम आहेत. रायबोसोमचा रोल काय आहे? प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस. आणि म्हणून हे जे इन्सुलिन आहे, प्रोटीनॅशियस हार्मोन आहे, हे पॅनक्रियाटिक सेलमध्ये तयार करण्याचा रोल कोण करतं? रफ ER. देन नेक्स्ट फंक्शन, रफ ER इज ऑल्सो इन्व्हॉल्ड इन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मेम्ब्रेन फॉर सेल. डिफरंट मेम्ब्रेन्स विच आर प्रोड्यूस इज because of activity of rough ER. So these are main functions of ER. Prepare functions of ER. जसं मी इथे हायलाईट केलेले आहेत नंबर, त्याप्रमाणेच तुम्ही व्यवस्थित लिहून काढा. Then what is regarding other? ER membrane grow in place by addition of membrane protein and phospholipids to form their own membrane. So membranes of ER consists of which element or which material? Phospholipids, phosphate along with lipids or vice versa. Portion of this expanded membrane are transferred to other components of endomembrane system. जे पार्ट एनलार्ज होतात किंवा सॅक्युलर बनतात, सॅक लाईक फ्लॅट, हे हळूहळू एंडोमेम्ब्रेन सिस्टीमचा म्हणजे बाकीच्या मेम्ब्रेनचा भाग बनून जातात. सो इज इट क्लिअर? वी हॅव सीन डायग्राम ऑफ दॅट ER and I have also explained functions of ER. Then after start with one more associated organelle, Golgi complex discovered by scientists. Golgi, Camellia Golgi. It is also known as Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus or Golgi body. Observe structure of that Golgi complex. So it is also a system of parallel tubules. Some are smaller and other are larger. Larger one, they are mature one. They are produced at mature phase called trans phase. मॅच्युअर आहेत हे ज्या फेसला असतात, ज्या साईडला असतात त्याला म्हणायचं ट्रान्स फेस. आणि ज्या ठिकाणी हे जे यंगर वन तयार होत असतात त्यांना म्हणायचं फॉर्मिंग फेस, फॉर्मिंग तयार होणारी. तर हळूहळू हे जे टिब्युल्स आहेत हे तयार होतात. इथे काय आहेत? यंगर वन आणि हे कोड आहेत मॅच्युअर वन. सो हिअर it is a receiving side of Golgi apparatus or it is also known as sys phase. What is sys phase? A receiving side of Golgi apparatus. Here these Golgi tubules, they bud off or pinch off at their ends. एंडला काय होतात? पिंच ऑफ होतात. म्हणजे एंड जे बल्बस आहेत, फुगलेले आहेत, फुगीर आहेत, हे काय होतात? सेपरेट होतात आणि काय तयार होतात? राउंडेड balloon like bodies called vesicles. कळत आहे? So these are vesicles that contain what we called secreted material or stored material. That is regarding structure of Golgi complex. Concentrate on Golgi complex. Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus or Golgi body. Different names are given. What is function? Manufacturing packaging and transport unit of cell. What is main function? It carry out manufacturing, it carry out packaging and transportation. So these are main functions of Golgi complex. पहिलं मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग तयार करणार, सिंथेसिस करणार, त्याचं पॅकेजिंग करणार आणि नंतर ते एका ठिकाणाहून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी म्हणजे जिथे गरजेचं आहे तिथे ट्रान्सपोर्ट करण्याचं युनिट or structure. Golgi complex essentially consists of stacks of membranous sacs called cisternae. So here you have seen these membrane or parallel stacks. Stacks meaning present one over the other. यांना म्हणायचं cisternae. What are these? Cisternae, parallel tubules. Cisternae. Then diameter, you are not concerned with any dimension. Cell may have few to several cisternae depending on function. So number of cisternae varies depending on function. Secretion किंवा पॅकेजिंग, ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन जास्त असेल तर सेलमध्ये सिस्टर्नीची संख्या जास्त राहणार आहे आणि जर का रोल कमी असेल सिक्रिशनचा तर नंबर ऑफ सिस्टर्नी इज लेस. देन thickness and molecular composition of membrane of Golgi differ from each other. Golgi sac shows specific orientation in cell. So here you have seen specific orientation having two phases, sys phase, that is forming phase, and trans phase or transfer occur, and trans phase or maturation phase. Different names are there. So here come to study the same. Golgi sac shows specific orientation in the cell. Each cisterna has forming or sys phase. ज्या ठिकाणी निर्मिती होते दॅट इज फॉर्मेशन, फॉर्मिंग ऑर सिस फेज, अँड मॅच्युरिंग ऑर ट्रान्स फेज. Trans phase and cis phase, they are opposite to each other. Then transport vesicles that pinch off from ER merge with cis phase of Golgi cisterna and add its content to the lumen. या ठिकाणी डायग्राममध्ये बघा हे काय आहेत, व्हेसिकल आहेत. कुठून आलेले? ERकडून आलेले. ERचेही असे छोटे छोटे बलून लाईक स्ट्रक्चर तयार होतात ज्यांच्यामध्ये काहीतरी मटेरियल किंवा सिक्रिशन असतं. हे कोणाशी मिक्स होऊन जातं? तर या सिस्टर्नाबरोबर. म्हणजे ERकडून आलेलं मटेरियल कोणाकडे आलं? गॉल्गीकडे. धिस एक्सप्लेन्स गॉल्गी बॉडी इज युजली लोकेटेड नियर ER. आणि म्हणून गॉल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स आणि ER शेजारी शेजारी किंवा जवळ असतात. मॉडिफाईड अँड कंडेन्स सिक्रिशन लीव गॉल्गी थ्रू ट्रान्सफेज again and membrane bound vesicle. So trans responsible for transportation, that is maturation phase. ज्या ठिकाणी पूर्ण डेव्हलपमेंट झालेली असते असं फेज, ट्रान्स फेज पाहिलं आपण, म्हणजेच मॅच्युरेशन फेज. देन दीज आर फंक्शन्स ऑफ गॉल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स. सो अगेन हिअर आय विल गिव्ह यू वन क्वेश्चन, गिव्ह फंक्शन्स ऑफ गॉल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स. तर मी या ठिकाणी 3 पार्ट घेतला सायटोप्लाझम, दुसरा ER आणि तिसरा कोणता सुरू आहे? GC गॉल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स. या तिघांची फंक्शन तुम्ही न विसरता नोटबुकमध्ये लिहून काढायची आहेत. गॉल्गी बॉडी कॅरीज आउट 2 टाईप्स ऑफ फंक्शन्स विच आर दॅट मॉडिफिकेशन अँड सिक्रिशन. इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट फंक्शन. गॉल्गी बॉडी कॅरी आउट 2 डिफरंट टाईप्स ऑफ फंक्शन्स, modification and secretion of ER and production of its own secretion. Second function, cisternae contains specific enzyme for specific function. cisternae पाहिले आपण, ट्युब्युलर स्ट्रक्चर आहे, त्यांच्यामध्ये काय राहणार आहे? स्पेसिफिक एन्झाईम फॉर स्पेसिफिक फंक्शन. रिफायनिंग meaning purification of product take place in orderly manner. Purification of product, refining of product take place in Golgi complex. Which is its example? Glycolipid and glycoproteins that are brought by ER lose certain sugar and regain other, thus forming variety of products. तर हे काय झालं बरं? रिफायनिंग. कळलं? देन next function, Golgi bodies also manufacture their own products. They prepare their own products. Next one, next function, Golgi body in many plant cell produces non-cellulose polysaccharide like protein. So that is also function of Golgi body. Next function, manufacture or modified all products of Golgi complex leaves cisternae from trans phase as transport vesicle, that is transportation. So here it is number 6. You have to prepare any 5 functions for 2 mark question. Is it clear? So here we have done 3 different parts related with cell, either it is plant cell or animal cell, cytoplasm, ER and Golgi complex. Prepare said questions, write down their answer in your notebook. This part will remain for your second unit test. Clear? सगळ्यांनी व्यवस्थित तयार करा. 3ही क्वेश्चन सोपे आहेत, नीट लिहून ठेवा. ओके.